My family and I immigrated to the United States when I was 12. Starting in a country where you don't know the language, you don't know the culture, is definitely a culture shock, but you survive and get stronger. I first realized that I wanted to practice law when we first came to this country. We came from Russia, where to become an attorney, you had to be of a certain class. Here in America, the minute I understood that if you put in the hard work, that was the moment when I wanted to become an attorney. In deciding to practice law, it was extremely important for me to bring in knowledge of what are your rights into the immigrant community. My favorite thing about being a personal injury attorney is the pace at which we move. You'll have high-intensity days, you'll have happy days, cry days. All of that comes and makes your life so colorful and flavorful. At the end of the day, you always know that you are delivering help. That's a beautiful thing to watch.
A friend of mine gave me a phone call to come out and look at his roof, just make sure it wasn't leaking. I went out to his house, climbed up on his roof. It was a rainy day and the house was covered in plastic. As I was coming back down from the roof, I slipped, landed on my left leg, broke my ankle. I had 18 pins installed. Getting up and walking, this is something that I do every day, and it's hard to recover from.
He struggled daily to go back to work till present day. So the biggest fear is that he'll never be the same doing the line of work that he performs. The Davana Firm has been very professional, but at the same time compassionate. A lot of the times attorneys just tend to stay professional, but we can actually refer to them as family.
Marion made it easier for me as far as calming me down and not letting me worry so much. She's way different than most people. She's open-hearted, attentive to whatever it is that we're looking for.
I would absolutely recommend Davana Law Firm to anybody for a personal injury because of their quick response and their immediate attention.
My team at Davana is simply amazing. The one thing that stands out always is we are all female attorneys. We tend to be extremely consistent, extremely competent, and more importantly, we really care. I have 3 kids. Being a mother definitely helps you be a better attorney because at any given point, you have to stop and care for an ouchie. Practicing in personal injury, you have to be able to stop the world for a minute and hear what just happened so that you're able to carry your client through this trauma. If you've been injured, let us help you bring the care that you deserve. Take a deep breath and trust the process.